Salut, tout le monde. Welcome back to Krishank French Learning. Today, we are going to learn more easy, fun, and catchy French phrases that you can use every day while talking with your friends. In my previous video, we learned some easy and simple French phrases, how to interact and talk with your friends in French. If you want to speak French confidently using simple and useful phrases, you are in the right place. Let's get started and make French easy and fun to learn. I am learning French. Je parle français. Je parle français. A student studying French with a book and headphones. Next, you are my best friend. Tu es mon meilleur ami. Ma meilleure amie. Tu es mon meilleur ami. Ma meilleure amie. Two friends hugging or doing a handshake. Next, let's play a game. Jouons à un jeu. Jouons à un jeu. Kids or teens playing a board game or video game together. Next, it's too expensive. C'est trop cher. C'est trop cher. A person shocked while looking at a price tag in a shop. Next, I don't know. Je ne sais pas. Je ne sais pas. The confused student shrugging shoulders. Next, I am so excited. Je suis trop excité. Je suis trop excité. Friends jumping in excitement with confidence. Next, that's delicious. C'est délicieux. C'est délicieux. A person happily eating a slice of cake or pizza. Next, take care. Prends soin de toi. Prends soin de toi. Prends soin de toi. Two friends waving goodbye with smiles. What time is it? Il est quelle heure? Il est quelle heure? A friend checking their watch. A friend checking his watch. Next, I am hungry. J'ai faim. J'ai faim. A student holding the stomach at lunch. Next, let's eat pizza. Mangeons une pizza. Mangeons une pizza. Next, I love music. J'adore la musique. J'adore la musique. A teen with headphones enjoying music. Next, that's so cool. C'est trop cool. C'est trop cool. Friends giving each other a high five. Next, bye, see you soon. Salut, à bientôt. Two friends waving as one leaves. That's all for today. Easy French phrases. Practice these phrases daily and try using them when you talk to your friends. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to Krishan French Learning for more simple and helpful French lessons. À bientôt. See you soon.